Today we're going to learn about indefinite pronouns. We use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. Everyone, someone, anyone, no one. They are all singular pronouns and take singular verbs. If you see these words, remember use singular verbs, such as is, was, has, does, s, or es. Let's start with quick definitions. Everyone. This means all the people in a group. Let's look at a few examples. Everyone is invited to the party. Everyone has a chance to win the prize. Everyone needs to bring their own lunch. Someone refers to one person, but we don't know who exactly. Examples include someone wants to talk to you, someone is waiting at the door, someone has left their bag here. Anyone refers to any person at all without specifying who. Examples: anyone is allowed to come. Has anyone seen my keys? If anyone needs help, just ask. No one. No one means not a single person or nobody. It is used to say that there is not even one person involved or present. Examples: no one is at home. No one likes to wait. No one knows the answer. No one was invited to the meeting. Let's try a quick quiz. I can hear dash at the door. Option 1, anyone. Option 2, nobody. Option 3, everybody. Option 4, someone. Someone is the correct answer. Question 2. Does blank want to go to my friend's birthday party? Option 1, anyone. Option 2, no one. Option 3, someone. Option 4, everyone. Anyone is the correct answer. Question 3. Blank is coming to my birthday party today. It's very sad. Option 1, everyone. Option 2, no one. Option 3, someone. Option 4, anyone. No one is the correct answer. Question 4. Blank is responsible for cleaning after the party. Option 1, no one. Option 2, everyone. Option 3, someone. Option 4, anyone. Everyone is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar tips.